Hello students, today I am going to talk on the role of nutraceuticals on health from animal foods. As we all know that food not only fills human stomachs, they also protect from various diseases due to the presence of bioactive compounds. So, a good nutrition and access to an adequate diet and health are essential for growth and development of humans. There are physiologically active components in foods from both plants and animals that potentially could reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So these are called as functional foods. Thus, functional foods provides the body with the required amount of vitamins, fats, proteins, carbohydrates, etc., which is needed for its healthy survival. When functional foods helps in the prevention and or the treatment of diseases or disorders other than anemia, it is called as nutraceuticals. The term nutraceuticals, it was coined from a word nutrition and pharmaceuticals in 1989 by Stephen D. Fallis, the founder and chairman of the Foundation for Innovation in Medicine. According to D. Fallis, nutraceuticals can be defined as a food or a part of food that provides medical or health benefits, including the prevention and or the treatment of disease. So, nutraceuticals, they are also referred to natural functional or medical foods or bioactive phytochemicals that have health promoting, disease preventing or medical properties. Those nutraceuticals normally contain the required amount of vitamins, lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals and other necessary nutrients. So nutraceuticals, they may also be ranged from isolated nutrients, herbal products, dietary supplements and dyes to genetically engineered designer foods and processed products such as cereals, soups and beverages. So nutraceuticals can be classified in various ways. Number one is on the basis of food sources and on the basis of mechanism of action or on the basis of chemical constituents. So on the basis of food sources, they are classified as plants, animals and microbial sources. And on the basis of mechanism of action, nutraceuticals, they can be grouped as those having antioxidant activity, antimicrobial activity, antihypertensive activity, anti-inflammatory action, anti-carcinogenic, anti-aggregation and influence on blood or lipid profile and also osteoprotective and so on. On the basis of chemical constituents, they can also be grouped as nutrients, herbals or botanicals and dietary supplements. So the food sources used as nutraceuticals are all naturals and they can also be categorized as dietary fiber, probiotics and prebiotics, polyunsaturated fatty acids, antioxidant vitamins, herbals or natural foods. The most importance of these active components from animal foods as nutraceuticals are omega-3 fatty acids, which is a type of PUFA or conjugated linoleic acid or CLA, and probiotics. Health benefits: polyunsaturated fatty acids or PUFA. PUFA, it is also called as essential fatty acids, which have two subdivisions, that is omega-3 fatty acids or N3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids or N6 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, it is of three types: alpha linoleic acid, and the food sources are flax seeds, soya beans, canola, some nuts like walnuts and black or red currant seeds. The next is eicosapentaenoic acid. This is found in fish such as mackerel, salmon, herring, bluefin tuna and fish oils. And the third type of omega-3 fatty acids is docosahexaenoic acid. The food sources are fish such as mackerel, salmon, herring, bluefin tuna and fish oils. The next type of PUFA, that is polyunsaturated fatty acid, is omega-6 fatty acids. It is also of three types. Number one is linoleic acid, which is found in vegetable oils, Example, corn, sunflower, safflower, and soya bean oils. Number 2 is gamma-linolenic acid. Gamma-linolenic acid are found in evening prime oil, black currant oil, etc. And the number 3 is arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acids, these are found in animal products such as meat, poultry, and eggs. Studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids have 3 major effects on cardiovascular diseases such as anti-arrhythmic effect, hypolipidemic effect, and antithrombotic effect. Anti-arrhythmic effect means it have the ability to prevent irregularities in the force or rhythm of the heart. And hypolipidemic effects, that means it helps in promoting the reduction of lipid concentration in the serums, and also it helps in reducing the blood cholesterol as well as triglyceride levels. Antithrombotic effects means it have the ability to decrease atherosclerosis and also prevents platelet aggregation and blood clotting. Some of the other health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids are reduction in inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and cytoprotective effects, and also prevention of premature births. Omega-3 fatty acids also plays a significant role during pregnancy and infancy with regard to cognition, focus, mental development, as well as visual function. It has been shown to be beneficial at various stages of life. So, infant formulas nowadays contains docosahexaenoic acid along with arachidonic acid, which closely mimic the breast milk. FDA, that is Food and Drug Administration, recommends a maximum of 3 grams per day intake of eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, with no more than 2 grams per day from a dietary supplements. Next is probiotics. According to Food and Agriculture Organization, probiotics can be defined as a live microbial feed supplement which, when administered in adequate amounts, beneficially affects the host animal by improving its intestinal microbial balance. Probiotics are also available in various forms such as powder form, liquid form, gel or paste, or granular forms and capsule forms, etc. There are a number of benefits of using probiotics as nutraceuticals, and some of the benefits are enhancing bowel function, prevention of colon cancer, lowering blood cholesterol and blood pressure, improving immune function, reducing infections, reducing inflammation, improving mineral absorption. Specific probiotics are also generally used to treat gastrointestinal conditions such as lactose intolerance, acute diarrhea, and antibiotic-associated gastrointestinal side effects. They also have an antimicrobial effects through modifying the microflora, preventing addition of pathogens to the intestinal epithelium, competing for nutrients necessary for pathogen survival, producing an antitoxin effect, and reverse some of the consequences of infection in the intestinal epithelium. So, in short, the major probiotic mechanisms of action includes enhancement of the epithelial barrier, increased adhesion to the intestinal mucosa, inhibition of the pathogen adhesion in the lumen, competitive exclusion of pathogenic microorganisms, production of antimicroorganism substances, and modulation of the immune system. Next is conjugated linoleic acid or CLA. Conjugated linoleic acid are a family of at least 28 isomers of linoleic acid found mostly in the meat and dairy products derived from ruminants. Cow's milk, butter, cream, and cheese are good sources of conjugated linoleic acid. Some of the effects of conjugated linoleic acids are: number 1, reduction of body fat. The most studied conjugated linoleic acid supplementation effects is its capacity to alter the body composition, promoting an increase in lean mass and reduction of the fatty mass, which is not due to the reduction in the number of adipocytes, that is fat cells, but rather by the reduction of their size, that is the size of the adipocytes. Thus, they help in reducing body fats. Next is improved lipid profile, antithrombogenic effects. That means it have the ability to prevent the formation of blood clotting, especially within a blood vessels, and also reduce atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis, it is an arterial disease which is characterized by the deposition of fatty materials in their inner walls. There is also a metabolic change that favors reduction of lipogenesis and the potentiation of lipolysis, accompanied by the oxidation of fatty acids in the skeletal muscles due to the increased carnitine palmitoyl transferase 1 activity and action, thus reduce the atherosclerosis. There is also an increase in beta oxidation of mitochondrial fatty acids induced by conjugated linoleic acid, which is responsible for the reduction of triglycerol synthesis, not depositing them in the adipocytes but by reducing their size. Next is anticarcinogenic effects. That is, it have the ability to inhibit or prevent the activity of carcinogen or the development of cancer. And the next is modulates immune system and stimulates bone mineralization, improves insulin resistance and reduce blood cholesterol. The effects of conjugated linoleic acid in lipid and glucose metabolism on body composition are mediated by the activation or inhibition of PPARs, that is peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, especially the PPAR gamma. The inhibition of PPAR gamma by conjugated linoleic acid leads to the reduction of body fat by modulation of the gene expression that inhibits cell differentiation and alters the activity of proteins involved in lipogenesis and lipolysis. Evidence also suggests that the activation of PPAR gamma can diminish the progression of atherosclerosis and increase sensitivity to insulin, and may be a potential therapeutic target for the treatment of various diseases like diabetes mellitus type 2 and dyslipidemia. Conclusion. Thus, with the ever-changing lifestyle of humans, the antioxidant defense systems are often overloaded, resulting in oxidative stress. Moreover, the levels of antioxidant defense mechanism decrease appreciably with age. This may result in the development of a great many diseases. Hence, research over the past several decades have primarily focused on different nutraceuticals. Thus, the popularity of nutraceuticals is on the rise, and most of the nutraceuticals have proven to have health benefits, and their consumption within their recommended limits will keep diseases at bay and allow humans to maintain an overall good health.